is ready for today's story. It is The Cat and the Mice. Do you think they're going to be friends? A big cat is looking down at a little hole. The mice are inside the hole. She sees the hole. The cat sits by the hole. The mice can see her. The mice will stay inside the hole where they are safe. Look at them looking at the cat. The cat stays by the hole. The mice are hungry. They cannot come out. Oh no, what are they gonna do? They're hungry. The cat goes to sleep. Here come the little mice. They are very hungry. They are sneaking by the cat. They see some bread by the can. They run to get the bread. The mice are eating the bread, and the cat wakes up and sees the mice. Oh no, what's gonna happen? The cat is coming. The mice look up and they see the cat. Help! The mice run back to the hole. The cat is too old to run after the mice. They will get away. Oh, they were lucky, huh? The mice are back in the hole again. They are safe. Oh, the end. That was a good story.